What's going on, guys? And today we're going to be doing a tutorial how to make Molten Freddy from FNAF 6. So first thing you want to do is take off Funtime Freddy's head. If you don't have this head, then oh well. It's the only way you can get it. So we're going to take the head. Put this down for a second. Take that out. We're going to take the endoskeleton out of it. Set this thing. We don't really need this, okay? We don't really need this anymore. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this from a Minecraft set. I got it from the Nether Fortress, so you can just take off its arms. That would be good. You can leave it on and just do the following steps, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take off the head of the wither skeleton. So, and then you're going to pick one of these, because I got these from Minecraft set as well, and there might be other like molds like this, but I'll just use this one for right now, you know, because reasons. Okay, so then we're going to do so like I said, you could keep the arms right here if you want. It is optional. Oh, and another thing to note, if you have a Freddy jaw, then you could use this as well. Or the Wither Freddy jaw, you could use this as well. So take this, you put it in like so it looks like that. You take your yellow thing, and then it will look like this. Okay. Okay, and then so we're going to take this head and place it on here. So if you have arms for it, like, you could just keep it. Oops. You could just keep it like this, and it'll if you have arms, I couldn't find mine. But, yeah. Okay, so next step, you are going to. So if you want to keep it like this, I suggest you do. But okay. So this is how it looks so far. We're going to take this from a set. This is like all over the sets. This is like all over. This is this. You should really have this. If you don't have any of the Minecraft sets, you should really have this. So you're going to take off the head and take off every part from the skeleton, every mold from it. As you can see here, we mounted it. So then you're going to take the arm molds. You're going to place it on the Freddy. The Freddy is like so. You can put that arm and then this arm. Place it. And then that's how it should look. But we're not over yet. We have these two, which you could just leave it like that if you want. It's choiceable. So we're gonna put this on the bottom feet. Okay, so you're gonna put this down on the bottom feet of the right one. Okay, the right one. So then it will look like this. Okay. The next step is you put this, but backwards. You're gonna put this but backwards on the left. Well, technically it's his left leg. So it will look like this when your completion is done. Anyways, this is Molten Freddy. This is Molten Freddy. So you can follow the steps. It will look like this. Molten Freddy. Hi, not bone. Together again. Bye, everyone. I'm Molten Freddy. Look at all my wires and stuff.